Welcome to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel. Hosts Kimmi and Jeff Nunnally, along with Alexis Franklin, share expert insights to help you launch and grow a successful mobile notary business, no matter what state you are commissioned in. Learn how to become a top-notch loan signing agent and get answers to common notary questions. Explore our all-inclusive $47 monthly training library, plus live weekly online coaching sessions with courses on general notary work, wedding efficient services, remote online notary, ink fingerprinting, apostille, translation services, and I-9 completion. So please remember that Notary Educators LLC is your one-stop shop for notary training. Now sit back and watch Kimmi and crew, and don't forget to subscribe to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel for more tips. Take your notary business to new heights.
Then the next piece of that is I started doing ink fingerprinting. People started calling, hey, do you do ink fingerprinting? I'm like, no. I started watching videos. I said, it can't be that much to it. So then I started doing ink fingerprinting. I started doing all these things that I teach. I have a course on all of them, field inspection even, because people kept asking me, do you have a field inspection course? Do you have a field inspection course? And I was like, yeah, I got a little piece of it in a specialty course. And I was like, they want more. So not only did they want more, but I realized more was even needed. So one of our mentees started doing field inspections. So as she was doing them, she shared a couple things in the chat. Shout out to Lisa. And I was like, I said, I think I should write a whole course on it. So I did. I wrote a whole course on it. And it's actually, people love that course too. And you guys know the way I teach, I keep it simple. Ain't no fluff, ain't no certificates. That's why I say no certificates required. You can get one. All the courses will print one for you. You don't need it. Okay. But the point is, I want you to succeed. Okay. I want you to succeed and I want you to win, and no more excuses. No more excuses. Okay. No more. Let's do this thing. So I see we got some new people that have joined us. I'll give you a few more minutes if you have any questions. If not, I'll go ahead and start wrapping up. Again, check out the Notary Public Journal. I love the journal. It's so classy. It's so classy. I think you'll like it too. Again, I love the paperback, but that hardback, man, this thing is nice. It's very nice. And it's thin too, look. Very thin. That's another reason why I like it, because you would think hardback it would be. That's what my hesitation was. Shout out to Eric, because Mr. Eric was like, does it come in hard copy? And I was like, nah, I don't think so. And after I thought about it, I asked Jeffrey, I said, well, why can it not? So I learned from you guys too. So I love this journal. I'm telling you, this journal is the bomb. If you already have one and you're filling up that journal, you can always switch to this one. You just put an end date. Even in the front of this one, I have an end date, start and an end date. So stop that one, you can start the new one, okay? Just make sure you put that date in there. I put that specifically to because that's something else. Your notary fees on the bottom are broken down for you. How much was your travel fee? How many stamps did you have? Because you need all that for tax purposes. I mean, I really put my heart into that journal to give you everything you needed for one stop. All inclusive. Everything is about all inclusive for me. I'm making it simple. What all can you get? Give you one price. That's how I do my pricing for my notary business, okay? So that's how I roll in Notary Educators. One price. Let's keep it simple. Okay? So, no comments? No comments? Okay, we're going to start wrapping up. 2 minutes. This is a 2-minute window. Nothing else? Going once? Going twice? Come on. I know you got a question. I don't even know what time it is. 7:15. Yeah. 7:12. I was going to say 7:15. Yeah. Okay, nothing else? All right. Well, on behalf of Notary Educators, I'm going to wish you a good night. I'm going to tell you to check out notaryeducatorsllc.com for all things notary related. Check out the Notary Mentor Program. And also, don't forget to check out my new notary journal. Until next time, I'm wishing you much success in your business, and we'll be in touch. Bye.